Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of a Deluxe Studio Villa at Disney's Riviera Resort. This is a preferred view. As you first enter the unit from the front door and turn off to your left, you will see there's a little table here mounted to the wall. It's really convenient for putting your keys or your magic band. This door here actually enables the unit that we are in to become a lock-off with the adjoining unit here. This is a closet. I'll open this up and show you that we have a good amount of space in here. You can see we have a lot of luggage and it fits in here nicely. This closet contains an ironing board. Up here we have some extra pillows and blankets as well as our iron. And here we have a nice safe if you'd like to store some items a little bit more securely. As we turn off to the right here, you see there's a nice hook if you want to hang up your purse or jackets if you're traveling when it's a little bit cooler outside. One of the things, in my opinion, which makes this unit unique and very much distinguishes it from just like a standard hotel room is this bathroom setup. So obviously, here's our toilet. I love the artwork at this resort too. It's absolutely beautiful, and you can purchase a lot of it. But off to the right of the toilet area is this beautiful shower. As you can see, the shower is quite good sized. It's got beautiful tile work, has a full bench seat. This shower head can become a handheld if needed. And there's also this beautiful rainfall shower head. So this is just a gorgeous space. We can section off this portion of the bathroom from the hallway via this nice pocket door. There's also a pocket door here, which enables us to give privacy between the two halves of the bathroom. And as we come in here, we'll see that we actually have another full shower with that handheld shower head. And this one is actually a shower tub combo. So if you prefer a bath to a shower, or you have people traveling with you who do, you do have that option here. Lovely mirror space. Nice makeup mirror. There is one sink here in this Deluxe Villa or Deluxe Studio Villa. And then we have some storage on the shelving down below. So as we exit to our left, we'll see that we can also close off this portion of the bathroom from the hallway with this pocket door. We also have a very nice full-size mirror mounted to the wall here. And as we turn to our right, we'll see our kitchenette. I love how the upper and lower cabinetry here is a different color. It's a really nice design feature. So in these cabinets, this first larger one here, we'll see that this unit comes equipped with silverware as well as plates and bowls, coffee and accessories for that, as well as your standard ice bucket and cups. In the next cabinet, we have a toaster, more cups, a can opener, and a corkscrew. This unit does come equipped with a microwave, which is not something that comes in a standard Disney hotel room, but you do get in these villa-style accommodations. You also get a full-size coffee maker. This is not just like a one cup at a time coffee maker. You can make a full pot of coffee here. We have a sink. In the lower cabinetry here on the left, we have our waste paper basket. Underneath the sink, we have some extra paper towels as well as some dish soap, dish towel, and some sponges. And here we have our mini refrigerator, which is nice because this does have this freezer compartment right here. So as we come into the heart of the room, we see that we have one queen bed here. This bed has storage underneath for luggage, There's also these storage drawers here at the end of the bed. Off to the right of the bed, we have this beautiful Minnie Mouse inspired artwork. We also have some nice storage in this nightstand and some nice outlets here with several USB ports as well. We have a hidden Mickey there in the headboard. As we pan back over to this side of the room, we see our television. Underneath that, there are more outlets and USB ports. And here we have a single fold-down bed, which will accommodate a child easily. You can see Pascal featured prominently here. As we move to this side of the room, we can see that we have a nice seating area with a table here. We also have a fold-down bed here. This folds down into a queen bed. When it's not in use though, it's a nice sofa. We also have some storage here in this coffee table. I love the chandelier in this living area. I also really love the chandelier back in our entryway as well as the herringbone design of these hardwood floors. Let's have a look at this preferred view. As we look to our left, we can see that we have a view of the beach area. We can see Caribbean Beach Resort, as well as the Riviera's pool and splash pad, and the Disney Skyliner system. This is a good sized balcony. You can see that there are chairs and a table out here for you. This is just a lovely view. So now as we come back inside, I'll show you that you do have the Riviera Resort logo here in these curtains. And now I'm going to show you how this bed folds down. To fold this bed down, I actually did move the coffee table out of the way. Actually just pushed it right up under the bed here. But I'll show you how this works. Grab these handles. You do have to give it a little bit of a push, but it will come on down. This gives you an additional queen size bed, as well as some beautiful 101 Dalmatians artwork.